Ever wondered how to delete all videos from your YouTube channel? Well, ponder no more. Today, we delve into the intricate world of YouTube Studio to unravel this mystery. Picture this. You're in the YouTube universe, at the helm of your channel. The first destination on this voyage is your YouTube Studio. Navigate there with a simple click on your profile picture, and there it is, the YouTube Studio button, just waiting for you to press it. Now, you're in the heart of your YouTube operations. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Among its various options, Content is the one you're interested in. A click on Content reveals all the videos you've ever published on your channel. At this juncture, you have two options. You can either select each video one by one, or you can select all videos at once. Just above your videos, you'll notice a checkbox. Click on it, and voila, all your videos are selected. Now onto the part that requires a bit of courage, deletion. On the top, you'll find the More Actions drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Delete Forever. Yes, it's as final as it sounds. It's the point of no return, at least for these videos. Here, YouTube throws a lifeline, a final chance to rethink your decision. A warning message appears, reminding you that this action is irreversible. You won't be able to view these videos again, nor recover them. If the decision is final, check the box to confirm that you understand the implications. Then go ahead and click on that ominous Delete Forever button, and there you have it. Your channel is now devoid of all videos. It's a clean slate, ready for you to paint a new picture, create a new narrative. So, remember these steps. Navigate to YouTube Studio, choose Content, select all videos or pick them individually, click on More Actions, choose Delete Forever, and finally, confirm your decision. Deleting all videos from your YouTube channel might seem like a daunting task, but with this guide, it's as easy as pie. But remember, once deleted, these videos are lost to the ether, never to return. So think twice, maybe even thrice before you press that Delete Forever button.